Happy birthday, High Chief Emeka Agbanari, Ike Idemili. High Chief Sir Emeka Agbanari, popularly known as Ike Idemili, is a Nigerian billionaire entrepreneur, philanthropist, industrialist, farmer, and the CEO of Seaman Group of Companies. He was born on 27th April to late Chief and late Mrs. Ephraim Agbanari. He is from Umuebu Ngo Nnobi in Idemili South local government area of Anambra State. As a determined go-getter, Sir Emeka Agbanari recognized time and opportunity when it came and quickly birthed Seaman Group of Companies, whose subsidiaries span oil and gas, communications, agriculture, construction, and quarrying. Seaman Agro Industry is currently constructing a rice factory that will produce 50,000 metric tons of rice yearly and will employ over 500 youths in the southeast, thereby tackling the issue of unemployment. High Chief Sir Emeka Agbanari's philanthropic spirit is phenomenal, as he has continuously constructed and gifted several houses, shopping malls, ultra-modern halls, multi-purpose halls to individuals, villages, men and women groups, and churches in Nnobi and beyond. He has also awarded several scholarships to pupils and university students. This has been achieved through his foundation, the Emeka Agbanari Foundation. He has also bagged many awards because of his philanthropic nature, including from Chukwuemeka Odumewu Ojukwu University and Anambra Broadcasting Service (ABS). A road, Seaman Avenue, was named in his honor in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State. High Chief Sir Emeka Agbanari is happily married with kids. A happy birthday to you, High Chief Sir Emeka Agbanari. Ike Idemili, Ike Idemili, Ike Ndiowa.